GarageBand Made Easy. Create and publish songs on iPhone and iPad. How to make and publish songs with GarageBand on iPads and iPhones. Hi there everyone, welcome back. GarageBand is one of the most incredible apps I've seen. It allows a single person to create music as if they have a full band with multiple members, each playing different instruments and singing. If you have an iPhone or iPad and haven't used GarageBand before, you should definitely stick around to see how easy it is to use GarageBand to create and publish your own music. And if you don't already own an iPhone or iPad, you may even consider getting one for your next device. GarageBand comes free with your iPhone and iPad, but if you don't see it, you can download it from the App Store for free. No fancy equipment needed, just your iPhone or iPad and a passion for music. Enough said, let's get started. To record and publish your song, go to the GarageBand app icon. You want to press and hold that icon until you see a menu pop up, just like the one you see here. And now select Create New Audio Recording. If you're using GarageBand for the first time, you should see your sound browser. But if you don't see the sound browser, you can click on this icon on the top left corner of your screen, where it looks like three little boxes. That would bring up your sound browser. In this browser, you can select the different type of device, different type of instrument to play in your band. For example, here you can play the keyboard, you can play the drums, audio recorder, that's like in case you want to sing, play strings, bass, guitar, and so on. So let's take, for example, I'm gonna start with the keyboard. So here I'm playing the grand piano. You can turn the rhythm on by hitting this little triangle up here and press record and play your music. When you're done, press stop. Now you can review your piece that you have just played. Okay, so now I have one person in the band playing the grand piano. To add another band member, I'm gonna go back up here, click on the box with the three little squares, and I'm gonna select a different instrument. I'm gonna play the drums next. Now we're gonna record my playing of the drums by hitting the record button again and start playing. When you're done, press stop. You can click on the third icon from the left here to review your different pieces. So now I have two different pieces. I have the first piece is the grand piano. The second piece is the drums. And this is how they sound when you play them together. You can hear both the piano and the drums. And this part is just the drums. There's no piano here. Let's add one more member to this band. We're gonna click on the three boxes again. This time, I'm gonna add another drummer. Maybe an expert drummer. And now if you go back to your timeline, you see three different pieces. This third piece is automatic. Basically, somebody's gonna play the drums for me. And let's hear how it sounds with the three different pieces combined together. So you can hear my drums, you can hear the grand piano, and you can hear the other drummer playing the drums. let's go add one more piece to the song, and then we're all done. We're gonna publish it. So again, we're gonna click on the three boxes up here. Let me go back. I'm just gonna stop this for now. Bring it back to the start and click on the three boxes. This time, I'm gonna add some singing to this. So I'm gonna look for the audio recorder, and I'm gonna record my singing by hitting the record button. And here we go. Hey everyone, I'm Price CP. How's everyone doing today? So that is our video for today. Hope you enjoyed this video and find it to be helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we will see you in the next video. Okay, so I have pressed stop, and now let's look at everything together. You see, we have 4 different pieces here. I'm gonna go to the start, and let's hear it. Press play, and here we go. Hey everyone, I'm Price CP. How do you guys like everyone doing today? So that is our video for today. Hope you enjoyed this video and find it to be helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we will see you in the next video. And here we go. Alright, so that is our song. Now all we have to do is to go and publish this song. Now I'm just gonna hit on this file here to save it. And you can see my song 3, that's the one we just made. It's being saved to iCloud. Now to publish this song, what you want to do is you want to press and hold the song that you want to publish. In this case, it's going to be my song 3. I'm going to press and hold that icon until a menu pops up. You're going to hit on share. I'm going to share the song, high quality. The artist is Price CP, composer is Price CP, and this song is going to go on my Price CP Roblox album. All done, just hit share. And I'm going to share it to files on my iPad and hit save. And that's it. You have made your first song using GarageBand. Now you can go to that song whenever you want to listen to your song. Just go to files. Depends on where you save it. I save it on my iPad, and here it is, GarageBand tutorial. Just hit it and let's listen. And here we go. Hey everyone, I'm Price CP. How's everyone doing today? So that is our video for today. Hope you enjoyed this video and find it to be helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we will see you in the next video. So there you have it, guys. That is how you use GarageBand on iPads and iPhones to make and publish your songs. Thank you all for watching, and we will see you again in the next video. Take care, everyone.